Many of us think that understanding and learning technology is the most difficult thing to do in a corporate world. But in reality, that is not true. Understanding that how people and processes fit into the corporate world, how tasks generate data, the data is used to take up decisions, and decisions derive outcomes. Understanding this part is the most difficult and crucial in your corporate career. Because once we understand this, the task or job that we do does not feel random anymore. And that is exactly what we will do in today's video using a simple example which many of us can understand, which is organizing a college fest. In case you're someone who is new into your career or you are few years in already, but the work and job feels quite random and is difficult to understand, then this video is just for you. In the previous video, we have covered that how people and processes fit into the corporate world, and today is the continuation of the same video wherein we will try to understand about data, decisions and outcomes. If you haven't checked out the previous video, then please check that out. I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe. Now, when it comes to a college fest, the main goal is very simple. The sponsors should be happy, the fest should be a success, and you would want a good turnout. Basically, you want the fest to be a big success. And it is not just one person who is working to organize this fest. It is a collection of people, but every person has an individual part or an individual role to play in this. The work is divided amongst different teams. So you would have a core committee, a logistics team, a marketing team, a tech team, so on and so forth. Every team has its own roles and responsibilities, but everyone are working towards one single goal, which is to make the fest a big success. So no one is working in isolation here, even though you have divided them into different teams. Now, when we talk about the process, you don't suddenly wake up one day and decide that, all right, let us have a college fest tomorrow and these are the people whom we are inviting, right? There is an entire process behind it. There's planning, then execution, and then review. And that sequence that you follow is the process. In our job, we get confused very easily when we are not sure that where do we fit in the process and how will our work actually be helpful. Now, suppose that I am in a tech team and the task that is assigned to me is to create a registration form. Now, I have understood that what is the requirement, what all should be there on the form. I create the form and my work is done. But the result or the outcome of this registration form is something that is going to be very helpful in making the fest a success. Once the form has been created and it is circulated among people, we would have data of all the people who are attending the fest, right? And this data will help us in many ways. It collects registrations and that data helps us to plan the venue, how much food to order, how many volunteers to have, the budget, etc., etc. My task might have seemed to be very simple and small, but the outcome is something that creates a big impact. Now, data is not something which is always in the form of reports or dashboards, right? Data is something that has been generated via the work that we have been doing. If we take our college fest as an example, the number of registrations, payment statuses, event popularity, feedback scores, etc., etc., every single task creates a data, whether we realize it or not. Now we have understood that how a task has created data, and this data is what will help you to take decisions. If the registrations are low, increase the marketing. If budgets are going above the limit, then cut the costs. And if one event are popular, then take care of the logistics. And in successful projects, decisions are not opinions of a single individual. They're always based on the data and the analysis that we have done on the basis of the data that we have. And a collective result of all the decisions that we have taken up is what will lead us to the outcome. So if we look at the bigger picture, we are not actually working to complete just the task on time, right? We are actually working for the outcome. I wanted to create a registration form not just because it was my task, right? Because the registration forms gave us some data, crucial data, and that data helped us in taking up some decisions. And that decision is what helped us with the final outcome, which is a successful fest. Now, here is where technology actually comes in. Technology is something that we can use in any part of this loop. Registration tools to capture data, CRMs to track sponsors and registrations, basically attendees, dashboards to show the trends, and automations to reduce manual effort. It is very important to understand that it is not the tools or technology that is giving us the clarity. Instead, it is the system and processes that we have set up which gave us the clarity. Technology is just used to empower us or help us in this whole system. So now that we have understood all of this, let us put it together. People, process, tasks, data, decisions, and outcomes. And once we see this loop, technology actually starts to make sense. To be honest, when I started working, I made a big mistake by considering my task as a standalone work item. I never bothered about the outcomes or how the task will be utilized, etc., etc. I was just concentrated on completing my work on time. But today I feel that maybe if I understood this whole concept of what we discussed in the video today, then maybe my approach towards work would have been different. And that is exactly the reason why I made this video, so that in case you are new to your career or you're just few years in but are feeling lost, then maybe having this understanding will help you. And in the next videos, we will start talking about technology. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Like the video if you found it to be helpful, and also share it with your friends who might benefit out of this. I will see you all very soon with the new video that I promised just now. But until then, take very good care of yourselves. Bye.